Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Kraken account information in 2025. Quick video, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Kraken account. So go on Kraken's website and log into your account using your email address and your password. Once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the account settings page there by clicking on the accounts tab. So click on accounts tab. It's going to take you to the account setting page, and on the account setting page you want to click on the account information tab because that's going to help you to access your account information. And once you have that page opened up, you can go ahead and update your account information. You could change your name, email address, or phone number. Just go ahead and update that as required. Once you're done with that, you want to click on the Save Changes button to save your updated account information, and verify your updated account information by reviewing your account settings page to see if those changes have been indeed reflected. That's pretty much it on how to update your Kraken account information in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys in the